Hey guys, hope you are all doing well. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to add phone number to Twitter account. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, I would like to open my Twitter application. And after opening my Twitter application, I will go to my profile menu, which is on the top left corner. By tapping here, I'll tap on the setting, which is on the bottom. Tap on the setting and support. And here we could see there's two other options. You have to tap on setting and privacy. And after that, we could see your account, which is on the top. Tap on your account. And here's a lot of options that you can see: change your password, download an archive of your data, deactivate account. So we simply are needed to tap on the account information, which is on the top. And here we see options of username, phone, email. So you simply need to tap on the add phone and you can add your number and you can save it just like that. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.